Hi everyone, my name is Akasha, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro. Just had to remember which one it was. Just go ahead and get into it because I don't want to wait. So I have it right here, and I also have two things I got. I'll link them below. The screen protector, because I didn't want to open it until I got the screen protector. I got it yesterday, got the screen protector today, and I got this case yesterday from Target. It's like a pink one. Kind of hard to tell on camera. It's like light pink. I'll put a photo of it here once I have it on my phone, I guess. And my current phone right now is the iPhone 8 Plus, so this one is a tiny bit smaller than it. And just so we're clear, I didn't pay for this myself. It was gifted to me, so I'm beyond blessed for that. So let's just go ahead and get into it now. So here is the box. I'm trying to show you guys without getting the glare of my window and all of that. If you guys hear humming, that is my dad. Here's the box once more. Alright, so that's the box. Sorry, my ear just looked ugly. I had to cover it up. Oh my god, it looks so good. I don't want to drop it. And this is the silver one. This is like on the screen. That was my mom sneezing. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's so reflective. Here's my light. I don't know if you can see my other light to light up the back of the room because it's gonna get dark in here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the start. How do I get it? There we go. I'll have to hold it at this angle for you guys to see. It said swipe to open, English, United States. So I'm gonna start with the quick start just to make it easier on myself, which you just bring your phone up to it to sign in and set up. So here's my current phone. So it says hold your new iPhone up to the camera. So I'm gonna hold up this. Enter passcode of your other iPhone. It says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. But anyways, what I was gonna say was, oh, my foot's asleep. So it says it's unable to activate it, so I'm gonna try using Wi-Fi. Oh, it says it may take a few minutes again. It's only on half battery. And by the way, they don't even put the cube, the little USB-C adapter in the box anymore. And so this isn't even a regular like USB cord or whatever. So it has like the end that would go in your MacBook, as you can see. And I'm just leaving this thing in here, designed by Apple. So it wants me to do Face ID. Get started. So I'm gonna transfer my data from my iPhone so I don't have to do it through iCloud. Agree, because even if I'm selling my soul away, I have to. So it says settings from other iPhone. Following settings can be transferred from your iPhone or you can customize them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do continue. Do you want to use your Apple Watch with this phone? And it also said it's gonna send my number to Apple so that I can use FaceTime and iMessage. I don't use Facetune. I used it to edit my brother's photo one time because I wanted his background to be blurry for a work photo, and he uses it for his LinkedIn page now. I'll put it right here. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. My camera's about to turn off from overheating. Okay. It asked if it can save like my audio recordings when I talk to Siri, and I said okay. It said it's only stored for a limited amount of time and it's not associated with me, so I guess that's fine. App analytics, help app developers improve their apps, share, whatever. Maybe I should have said don't share. Okay, it wants me to download and install iOS 14. So I'm gonna just do that. This phone feels kind of hot, but it also just might be me. And I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this to download, and I'm gonna turn off my camera because it's gonna overheat and then I won't be able to finish editing or filming this video. So I'm gonna turn it off until this is done. Peace. Okay, I'm back, but I like ate and everything, and my phone says it needs 50% battery to get the update. So I just unwrapped this and I'm gonna go ahead and charge it now, and then I'll come back to you guys once the update is complete. Okay, so my phone is done now. Here's what this one says, my old one. Transfer complete, before you sell, give away whatever, erase all contents. And this is the screen protector that's cracked, by the way. And now over here, it says restore completed. Apps and data will continue downloading in the background. Continue. It's asking me again because I restarted it, because after it wasn't updating since I went downstairs and it wasn't charged, I hit restart because it wouldn't download, and yeah, so it asked me again and I said no, so I'm gonna say no again. Welcome to iPhone. And it has all my old stuff on here, which is, it kind of looks funny. I don't know why it feels weird. Like, it wants me to type in my Apple ID. I have to try to remember my password. Pair watch with new iPhone, okay. Enter passcode. It's kind of weird not having the home button because I've literally had that since I've had a phone. And before I had a phone, I had an iPod, so I've had the home button. And also, this is the size difference in case you guys want to see. My 8 Plus was bigger. Here's my 8 Plus. I want to go ahead and put the case on, and I also want to go ahead and put the screen protector on while everything is downloading, because there's nothing else for me to do on here, I guess, or to show you guys, unless you guys ask me. I can do a photo shoot with my phone. I would love to do that, love to try that out. What kind of worries me is that these are popping out. I think you can see, like, it's made like that with the cameras popping out. And so when I was on Amazon buying screen protector, I saw that they have also a protector for this glass here. So I purchased it, so it'll be in like 2 days. So it'll protect like the glass here. I'm just worried that these are gonna get scratched because they're popping out. Screen protector first. I guess it's like easier to set up your phone once you already have everything. I don't have to re-download every app or something. They have this thing for me to stabilize my phone. That's kind of lit. That's kind of cool. Just stuck it on there. It's glass, by the way. I just dropped it right in because this thing is holding it all together. So let me just turn off my screen. You can see the bubbles going away. It said no bubble guarantee, so wow. It was almost perfect. It seems like I missed one singular spot of dust, or maybe two, but you can't really see them that well. I don't know. It looks pretty good to me. I don't care, I'm happy with it. I can always change it later because I have 2 more. So I'm just gonna pop it into here. I already cracked this case open, but I haven't taken it out yet. I like what it looks like though. This is the color of the case, by the way. The last thing I need to do is change my SIM. All the old fortune cookies, and you know, fortune cookies, I collect my little sayings. This doesn't feel like enough protection to me for my phone, but I guess nonetheless, here it is.